In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your PS5 turning off by itself while playing games. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it can be really annoying whenever you're trying to play on your PS5 and it just turns off by itself. So what I want to do is I want to go over to my settings application like so. There's a few things I'm going to want to go ahead and do. Firstly, go over to your system, go to system software, and then look to see if there's a system software update. Mine says up to date because sometimes it could just be a bug. Check to see if there's any error histories as well in recent times to see if there's anything specifically wrong with your PS5 console hardware. If there isn't, you don't have to do anything with the hardware itself. Now, what you could also go ahead and do after you go ahead and check that or anything like that, you're going to see a lot of different things. For example, when you have HDMI, what you want to do is where it says enable HDCP, you can try and turn this off because this sometimes can help anytime, it's turning off while while playing games or anything like that. Another thing that you could go ahead and do is go to power saving and basically make sure whenever you're playing games where it says use power saver, do not use any power saver. Now, another thing you can do is go over to screen and video, put your resolution from automatic and force a certain resolution. And then whenever you scroll down, you're going to see transfer rate and stuff like that. If you have HDR on, sometimes that bugs out. You can try and turn that off. And where you see screen, where it says dim screen while inactive, go on don't dim. So that's very important to do as well. After that, you should be in a better position with your console and then you'll be good to go. The final thing I would recommend doing is because it might not actually be a PS5 problem. It might be where you're plugging it in. So make sure you're plugging it into a wall and you're not putting it into an extension lead because the PS5 or the PS5 Pro does require a lot of power. So if you don't have a powerful enough extension lead, this is why it could be turning off during overheating. Secondly, make sure it's not on a carpet or it's not too congested around any places because that will cause overheating as well, which is why it might, just start instantly shutting off. So make sure you do that. And then also check your power cable is properly plugged into your PS5. Now, after doing everything should be fine. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.